Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a beautiful morning. The sun is just perfect. The breeze is just right. The birds are chirping. I just wanted to jump over here, guys, to share with you what I made for less than $10 for my miniature barbecue grill. I call it the mini barbecue pit station, guys. I'm about to show you what it looked like. Guys, I made this little cinder block stand for less than $10. No tools required. This is my own personal DIY that I made for my little grill. Guys, I'm telling you, it is almost like the perfect height to, grill your food. If you are looking for a stand, just build it out of these cinder blocks. Guys, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it, comment below, hit the bell for the next notification so you will know when I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I am out.